Welcome to the Embassy of the Czech Republic during our EU Open House 2025. We're so honored that you have come. We're celebrating the 80th anniversary of the end of World War II, the liberation in Europe.
Don't step in the scene, we're keeping it checked. 80 years strong, so show some respect. Patton rolled in, now we roll out the vibes. History's cool when the culture's this live. Dancing, learning, yeah, it's all on display at the Czech Embassy. It's Liberation Day.
Yeah, I roll deep in my WWII ride. 6 wheels down like freedom on the side. Dodge real deep with the throwback flex. Piling troops and stories you won't expect. We got gear, old tech, and a helmet with grit. History buffs, this is your hit.
Toss sacks in my hand, band in the zone. We lit the lawn up with the brassy tone. Swinging like it's 45 on the dot. We made that jazz jump hot to try. Notes like fireworks, memory in the air. Cool cats, real talk. We played it with flair.
Rockville's dogs came sharp and trained. Czech-born heroes coming unchained. Crowd went wild when they hit the grass. Tail wags salute with military class. No barking back, they made it clear. Even I see here. The kids showed up